Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a VPN built for streaming. This matters because some providers throttle or block video. Once chosen, subscribe and install the app on your device, whether phone, tablet, or smart TV. Make sure the provider lists servers near the Crunchyroll region you need. Log into the app, enable a kill switch for safety, and enable split tunneling only if you want local apps to bypass the VPN. Now connect to a server located in the region offering the content you want. This changes your apparent location, which is why streaming catalogs differ. After connecting, clear your browser cookies or app cache and fully restart the Crunchyroll app to refresh location data. Once restarted, load a free episode and watch for buffering and bitrate. If playback stalls, switch to a different nearby server and retest, because distance affects latency and quality. Finish by selecting the server that gave the best playback, then set the VPN to auto-connect so you don't forget it. This keeps your session consistent. If Crunchyroll still displays a region error, switch to an obfuscated server or change protocols to WireGuard or OpenVPN. These often bypass tighter blocks. And if something goes wrong, clear cache one more time, try a different server, or contact your VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.